Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Steam Deck. Enable Steam input and have a keyboard ready. Plug a USB-C keyboard or pair a Bluetooth board. Confirm charge and pairing status. Next, open the on-screen keyboard icon in desktop or press Steam +X to bring it up in gaming mode. Once done, test typing a short phrase into a text box so you know input works. This early verification prevents wasted steps later and makes sure you can continue configuring without interruption. Now configure how the keyboard behaves. Open controller configuration and map important keys for the current game or create a template for all titles. Make sure global shortcuts like Steam +L or Steam +R don't conflict with mapped keys. Also set function layers and adjust repeat rate to avoid sticky inputs. In settings, choose layout, US, UK, and language so characters match. These steps ensure the keyboard sends the right signals and that shortcuts remain accessible during game. Finish by testing everything. Type in several apps and play a quick session to verify key maps and shortcuts. Save your working configurations to Steam Cloud or export per game profiles for quick reuse. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Reboot the deck, repair the keyboard, or reset the controller mapping to default, then reapply your profile. Make sure firmware and Steam OS are up to date. These final checks lock in a reliable keyboard experience so you can get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.